it's me, Carly. Today, I have a special guest with me, my friend, Gus the goat. Say hi, Gus.
Bah!
Today, we're going to talk about all the fun things we can do to celebrate Christmas. Are you ready? Let's go! Decorating the tree. First up, let's talk about decorating the Christmas tree. Gus, do you like helping to decorate?
Bah! I love shiny things.
Me too. We hang up ornaments and lights. What's your favorite ornament to put on the tree?
The sparkly star on top.
Great choice! Kids, what do you like to put on your tree? Maybe some colorful baubles or homemade decorations. Next, we can sing Christmas carols. Gus, can you sing a little for us?
Bah, bah, bah. Bah.
That's a great start. Singing carols is so much fun. Kids, what's your favorite Christmas song? Let's sing together. Now let's talk about making delicious Christmas cookies. Gus, do you like cookies?
I love cookies, especially if they have oats.
Oats are great, but we usually make cookies like gingerbread or sugar cookies. What kind of cookies do you want to bake this year? Christmas is also about giving gifts. Gus, do you like giving gifts?
Bah! I love surprises.
Me too. It's so nice to see smiles when we give gifts. Kids, what's the best gift you've ever received? And what gift would you like to give this year? Helping others. Another important part of Christmas is helping others. Gus, how can we help during the holidays?
We can donate food or toys to those in need.
Exactly. It feels good to share with others. Kids, how can you help this Christmas? Maybe by donating or volunteering with your family, enjoying time with family. And don't forget about spending time with family. Gus, what do you like to do with your family during Christmas?
I love playing in the snow with my goat friends.
That sounds like so much fun. Kids, what activities do you enjoy doing with your family during the holidays? Maybe watching movies or playing games? Wow! We've talked about so many fun things we can do for Christmas. Decorating the tree, singing carols, baking cookies, giving gifts, helping others, and spending time with family. Yes, thank you for joining us today. Remember to spread joy and kindness this holiday season. If you enjoyed our adventure with Gus and me, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye.